To find out how to make these tabletop canvas candle holders, stay tuned. To begin, you'll want to take your diamond wrap and cut out each individual little diamond. You'll need to cut out as many of them as you'll want to accent the paintings, and this will be the most tedious part of the whole DIY. Once you get through this part, it's smooth sailing from there. And just for ease, I suggest that you figure out the placement of your diamonds on each of your canvases. That way, when you go in to go ahead and hot glue them, you don't have to stop and think as to where you want the diamonds to go. All you do is go in and glue down the diamonds that you've already placed. You get done gluing down all your diamonds, then you're going to glue down the canvas art to the glass candle holder. You're going to still use hot glue for this. You want to use a generous amount so that the art will adhere to the glass candle holder. And for this one, since I left a little bit on the back side, I did go ahead and add a bit more glue just for extra stability. And then you'll just repeat the same process of gluing the canvas art to the mirrored glass candle holder using your hot glue. And you want to make the canvas art stand up as straight as possible, so use your glue accordingly. And here is this week's finished DIY. They came out beautifully. I think that adding the diamonds to the canvas art really added a special touch and added a little touch of bling, which you guys know I love to add. And once you light the candles, it just takes the whole project up to a whole nother notch. It adds another element of beauty to the project because the candlelight then reflects off of the little diamonds, and it just makes the whole project even more beautiful. This is what they look like with the lights turned on. This is what it looks like with just the flash from my phone when I did the recording of the finished product. And here are what they look like with just the candlelight lighting them up. Look how pretty these are. They would make wonderful tabletop decorations and would be great for any event that you're going to throw, or even if you wanted to spruce up a room. I really hope you guys decide to try to make this DIY this week. I worked really hard on it and I loved the end result of the DIY. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like this DIY and if you have any changes that you would have made if you were to make it. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the like button, share this video with a friend, and follow me on my social media at haiku_creations. Thanks for joining me for another DIY. I love having each and every one of you guys here. Let's try to get up to 80 subscribers by the time next week's video comes out. I know we can do it if you guys share and let people know about this channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for joining me. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. And always keep creating. All right. Bye, guys. I'll see you next week.